What's up with it, Locked In fam? Welcome back to another episode of Locked In with Trey. And today I'm giving y'all a beard update to show y'all the gains, to show y'all what I'm working with, to show y'all what I was working with, and now what I'm working with. You feel me? Because as you can see, I've cut off the beard, and it's been about maybe 4 or 5 days. I want to say about maybe, about 5 days, almost a week. And this is what I'm working with. As you can see, for those of you who do not know what a goatee is, that is a half beard, half goatee. Because normally goatees are like, somewhere up in here, boom. But as you can see, mine go all the way to the neck. It kind of go up the side a little bit. Something different. It's not for everybody. It might not even be for me, but I got it. So, chill out. But anyways, this is what your boy working with. Let me go and get y'all this close-up view. As you can see, I got a whole bunch of hairs coming in right here that I cut. And like I said, it's been 5 days. They coming in nice. This is my stronger side than the other side. And this is my left side. I got the front-facing camera, on me. So that's why it looked like it looked. But yeah, this is my left side, my strong side. Goatee or bro tee, as you can see. I got hair. That's kind of hamburgery right there. Hamburger meat. Ooh, I need to pick that out. But, it's fully covered. It'll look better if I picked it out, but that's what I'm working with underneath the neck. Let's go to this side right here. I don't know if y'all can see, but, I got some hairs coming in. This is my weak side. I still got a lot of work on this side. I still got a lot of work on this side too, but not near as much as I need help on this side. So I gotta keep derma rolling. I gotta keep, putting the Minoxidil on there, the whole 9, especially right here. But as y'all keep watching me, and make sure y'all hit that like button. I keep forgetting to tell y'all to hit the like button. Hit that like button. Let's get this video to, Let me get at least 20 likes on this video. I know we can do 20 likes, so get your boy 20 likes on this, and we're gonna keep it rocking. But let's see, the mustache is still mustache. It need to be brushed. The connectors is there. I cut them off like I told y'all in the other video. And yeah, man, we thugging. Y'all can see the hair. Y'all see the little shadow coming in. Y'all gonna be able to see real good when it grow in, obviously, but this is what your boy working with. It connects, you know what I'm saying? And I bought one of those tools that help you kind of guide you when cutting the beard, because I know how to cut my hair. As y'all can see, this is probably about a week and a half, 2 weeks old right now. Your boy know how to cut his hair, but I'm not so used to lining up a beard. Who would have thought? I can do it, but it take me a lot longer than, lining up, giving myself the box. You feel me? So I need to work on lining up my beard. The tool I have is one you can hold up to your face and see through, so you know what you're doing and you don't cut too much off of your beard, like cut into your beard too deep. I had to get the see-through one because, I ain't finna go. I got it on Temu too. I'll put it up here. That's what it looked like. So that come in handy when lining up my beard or whatever, to keep that, symmetrical. You see what I'm saying? On both sides. I need it going, you know what I mean? At least to where the connectors are right here. So y'all see the shadow. Y'all can see where it's coming up. It actually go up a little bit further and come down, but you know what I'm saying? I cut it off. So, it's wishful thinking right now. I'm trying to show y'all the example, but right now, this is what your boy working with. Let me know what y'all think down below in the comments. Your boy been rocking this bro tee for about 5 days. I've rocked it before. I keep cutting off the beard, before I just show y'all the fullness of what it is at the moment. But, it's getting there. This is the fastest it's ever started to grow back. Like I said, 5 days, and it's already giving y'all like the little shadow on both sides. My kids crying over something. They probably fighting. No telling, somebody got bit, toes stepped on, whatever, you know what I'm saying? That's the, you know, the dad life, 2024. But anyways, I'm still on the Minoxidil. I still got the Jamaican black castor oil. What else I got? You know, I'm trying to up my skin routine, you know what I'm saying, to try to keep my face clean, because I had this, what's it called, sebaceous filaments, you know what I'm saying? So my skin is kicking out these little white dudes, you feel me? I got little white dudes. That's kind of weird to say, you know what I'm saying? But it looked like little whiteheads coming out of my skin, you know, it'd be all around your nose. It looked like your skin dry, but it's not. It's actually oily. You feel me? And it's called sebaceous filaments, and I think you got another terminology for it. But it get real oily, so much so that it kicks these little bad boys out. And I don't know if it's preventing my beard from growing to the max, or, you know, it's just what it is. It ain't affecting my beard at all, you know. And I just got to keep dermarolling and minoxidil and all that. But just to see, I'm going to try to find me a real good skincare routine to keep that cleaned up. That way I can, you know, for my sake, you know what I'm saying, for my feelings, I want to try to do everything I can to get the best results for this beard, you know, update, for this beard journey, you know what I'm saying? So, yeah, like I said before in the other video, I got y'all on 2 journeys, both locks. As you can see, I'm rocking the bun. The bun for fun, you feel me? I'm rocking the bun, James, you feel me? Bow, bow. I had my wife put it up for me, you know what I'm saying? I could do it, but, you know, that bird's eye view is, you feel. But anyway, I'm happy to be back, you know what I'm saying? I'm happy to say, hey, welcome to another episode of Locked In with Trey. Hey, I just hope y'all continue to rock with me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. It's your boy Trey Smith, bringing you love, peace, and prosperity forevermore throughout your life. Don't you forget it, and I'll see you guys on the next video. All right.